Hey, what's going on, family? It's Brother Andrew back again with another video. And today we'll be continuing this math series in preparation for our end of the year assessments. Today, we're going to be going over addition with regrouping. All right. So get your notebook, grab a pencil, and join me over on the blackboard. The first problem we're going to work together today is 5,867 plus 2,455. Now, the very first step we're going to take when we're trying to solve this addition problem is stacking it vertically. We're going to stack these two numbers on top of each other, ensuring that we align each digit according to its place value. Being neat and tidy is very, very important in this step. We don't want to write these numbers all crooked and sideways because it can get very, very confusing to keep everything in order. So if I was to do an example of how not to do this, it'll look like this. Notice how it's just jumbled up. It's not really neat. Sometimes you'll have it written like this. These are no good. These are not how you're going to want to do them. You're going to want to stack these neat and in order. That's going to be how you want to do these. So we're going to stack them very, very neat. And we're going to make sure each place value is aligned just like this. All right. Now that we have our numbers aligned neat according to their place value, we're going to always start with the smallest place value. So we're going to start with the ones place in this case. This ones place is what we're going to start with. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. We're not going to be able to put 12 in the ones place as our answer. No. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the one digit from the 12 right here. And we're going to carry our 1. Now, a lot of times I see my students, they'll add these 2 digits in the next column, but they'll forget about this. I like to go on and add it first so I don't forget about it. So I'll do 6 plus 1, that's 7. And then 7 plus 5, that's 12 again. So we'll repeat the same steps. We'll put the 2 for the 12, and we'll carry the 1. We're carrying the 1. We're regrouping that 1. Now, again, we'll do 8 plus 1, which is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Instead of writing 13, we'll write the 3. And we'll regroup or carry our 1. Again, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is going to be 8. Make sure we keep our comma. Our answer is 8,322. Notice how everything is aligned, neat. That's how you want it to be. For our second problem, we're going to do 6,584 plus 2,748. As always, we're going to stack them. Now that we have them stacked, we're always going to start with our ones place. So we're going to start with our smallest place value. 12, we regroup with the 1. 13, regroup with the 1. 13 again, regroup with the 1. 9. We have 9,332. Great word. I got one more problem I'm put up here, but it's on you. If you're in my class, if you come up to me and whisper and tell me the answer to this problem, I got a treat for you. If you're not in my class, let's see who'll be the first one to put an answer down in the comments. All right, there you have it. You officially know how to handle any addition problems the assessment has to throw at you. You're going to make sure you start on the right, keep your columns neat, and don't forget to add your carried numbers. Check out this video. Peace.